What we're expecting to see is a false pump up, pause, V pattern form, and then move the price back down. What I expect to see here in the next couple moments is the institutions blowing everybody's stops out to go down, go high enough, pause, and then turn the market right back around.
Order fill.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, September 9th, 2024, and we're going down with QQQ. V pattern, inverted H. V pattern wide state, inverted H. V pattern wide state, inverted H.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 drop, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do now is we're going to lock in half our gains and we're going to play it bar by bar.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $2 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do at this point is lock in $1 guaranteed, and as usual, we're going to play it bar by bar. All right, we're in a C-type retrace, so we went down, we're going diagonally, and let's copy this right here. And this is where, with a statistical high probability, I expect the price to drop down to, and then from there we'll see how it reacts. So right around the 50 moving average on our 2-minute, which puts us around the 21 moving average on our 5-minute. As you can see, we dropped $3 right there. So since it's an extended C-type retrace, where we measured it, it hit our target and beyond. But since that C-type extended longer, we're going to hold this longer as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to lock in a guaranteed $2 move, and then we're going to play a bar by bar. I expect if this continues to drop like I'm seeing right now, we might have a statistical high probability of crashing into the 200 moving average on our 1-minute chart. But again, we're going to play this bar by bar to make sure that we have the most optimal management plan moving forward. Right here would be a $4 drop.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $4 drop, ladies and gentlemen. And what we're going to do at this point is we're going to lock in a guaranteed $3, and we're going to see how this next retrace goes. And then if it gets down to this area, if not down to the 200 moving average, we'll actually pull profits at that point. All right, so at this point, we're going to lock in a guaranteed $3.50. We're coming down to that $4 area. So what we're going to see, if this price shoots down to the 200 moving average, we're going to close out. So let's just watch and see what happens. All right, so we're going to lock in a $4 gain right now. We're going to see how this reacts to the 200. That 200's holding pretty good, so I think we're just going to call it right now.
Order fill.
And there's a $4.40 drop today, ladies and gentlemen. As always, never forget, be a pro.